Welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Today we are unboxing the VIOFO A329S 3-channel dash camera. Pros and cons. Inside this box, you'll get a quick start guide, customer support information, fisheye cabin camera, rotates 360 degrees, rear camera, also rotates 360 degrees. Finally, the VIOFO A329S front dash camera. Under the cameras, you also get user manual, 3 windshield static stickers, VIOFO warning sticker, 3 spare mount sticky pads set, and under those papers you finally get USB-C to USB-C data cable, fisheye cabin camera cable, trim removal tool, rear camera cable, front camera CPL, car charger, This is the REDTIGER F7N dual dash cam. Put a static sticker at front cam location. Next, take off the 3M tape cover and camera cover. Next, plug in the car charger into 12-volt DC outlet and cable into the charger. Make sure to connect correct side of cable to charger and camera. Blue is for the camera. Yellow is for 45-watt charging. Plug in the charger into an active 12-volt DC power outlet. Plug in the other side into the power of the camera. Now, stick the front camera behind the rear mirror. Make sure the camera won't get in the way of mirror. Turn on your car if needed. You will hear a startup sound. Follow the on-screen setup guide.
Please insert a memory card.
Insert and push in a micro SD card facing up. You may need to restart the camera for the card to work.
Recording. 1 channel started. Recording. 1 channel started.
Currently, the front camera is recording in 4K 30 FPS. To record in 4K 60 FPS on the front camera, turn off HDR in the video settings, then HDR is on by default. 2 cameras are allowed for 4K 60 FPS, front and cabin or rear. Otherwise, it's 4K 30 FPS for front and 2K 30 FPS for others.
Recording. 1 channel started.
Now, to set up rear camera. Remove 3M tape cover and camera cover. Make sure to mount rear camera center to window. Now, to mount the cabin camera. Once again, remove the 3M tape cover and camera cover. Mount the cabin camera centered to the cabin. Now, connect all the cameras to the front camera. Connect the interior cable to the INT port. Then to the AV out on cabin camera. You can organize the wiring later. "4K 60 FPS and 2K 30 FPS with 2 cameras. Now, for the rear camera. Connect the cables to the correct camera ports. Front camera, 4K 30 FPS. Cabin camera, 2K 30 FPS. Rear camera, 2K 30 FPS.